Today we're going to make a layered Thanksgiving shirt using a design from this bundle on designbundles.net. This is a great project for scraps. My name is Ruth. This is Hank's Maker Mentor, where I help you learn how to make. Since your time is valuable, I don't cover every single step in this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to answer them. I've already downloaded it and unzipped it. We'll hop into Design Space and click on New Project, and then upload image. I'm going to drag the SVG file called Football Turkey. I use the SVG because it already came in layered and the different colors will already be separated. Most other file types, you would need to clean them up and upload them multiple times to do each color, or you would upload it as a print and cut. We're going to select it and add it to the canvas. It came in measuring over 9.5 inches wide, which is way too big for the toddler shirt I'm putting it on. I make sure the lock is clicked so that the proportions stay the same, and I'm going to change my width to 6 inches. I'm going to save my project just in case. Now we'll look at the file and see what needs to be done before I can send it to the machine. I'm starting with color sync. This turkey was designed to cut in 8 different colors. We're going to simplify this so it's fewer colors. You can drag the layers to the other colors. 3 big reasons to simplify the design so there are fewer layers are 1, less bulk on your design. 2, if you heat the bottom layers too many times, they won't last as long on your project. Third reason, your time and patience. The more layers you have to cut, weed, layer as you apply, the longer it's going to take you. Next, we'll go back to the layers panel to use attach. I'm going to attach all the white from the footballs together. I'm also attaching the pupils and the eyebrows together and the eyes together. I'm leaving the beak and feet separate even though they're on the same color to save vinyl. Originally, I was going to do the eyes as the same color as the white on the footballs, but then I realized that my shirt is white and I'm going to let the shirt show through for the footballs. I'm going to select the white layer from the footballs and the dark brown layer and use the new combine menu instead of slice. This way I can undo it easier if I don't like the result. I used exclude. If your design has words or needs to face a certain way, now is a great time to flip it horizontal so you don't have to mirror it later. If you don't flip it now, make sure you mirror it when you go to make it. We'll choose what vinyl we use. After you find the proper size and color, we'll place them on our mats. I'm using all StarCraft Soft Flex and 2 of my super sticky Nicapa mats. They're standard grip, but because they are so sticky, I prefer to use them with heat transfer vinyl first because the carrier sheet won't shred and stay on the mat like the back of adhesive vinyl can. After everything is cut and weeded, we'll get the shirt ready. I'm going to preheat my EasyPress to 285. I lint roll and preheat my shirt to remove any moisture, wrinkles, or fibers that will interfere with the application. I'm going to plan out what order to press it in. I need to do the dark layer first. There's nothing I can press at the same time. Then the light brown layer will be pressed alone as well. Now I can start combining so I do fewer presses. I can do the eyes, beak, and feet in the same press, and then do the pupils, eyebrows, and the red turkey snood in another press. I use the alignment tool to help center my design. After I am done with it, I take it off so I don't press it, and I'm going to tack this down. When you tack heat transfer vinyl, you press it for a fraction of the time the manufacturer recommends. I'm doing about 2 seconds since this is normally an 8 to 10 second press. I remove the carrier sheet and place my next layer on. You need to cover the entire design with a Teflon sheet, butcher paper, or parchment paper to prevent melting that first layer onto your heat source. I tack the light brown. I reference the design on my screen to help me figure out where to place them so that everything will fit properly. Before pressing the next pieces, I'm going to trim the carrier sheets so they aren't overlapping the other sections that I'm going to press in the same press. I did a 2-second press, but I didn't use enough pressure, so I repressed that same layer. And one of the toes still does not want to stick. I'm not worried about it right now because I'm going to be doing another 2 presses. After I get all the pieces pressed, I remove all the carrier sheets and then place down my Teflon sheet, and I'm going to do a final press for about 4 seconds. There is our finished Thanksgiving football turkey shirt. I've linked the things I used in the description below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I will make sure to answer them. Thanks for watching Hank's Maker Mentor. I'm grateful for you. Until next time, bye.